Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we have another requested video. Sum of square roots. Actually, the real question was sum of two square roots. Excuse me. But I always try to give you another perspective. So we're going to do it two square roots, and then I'm also going to show you a way to use args. So you can have infinite. So, all right, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, let's make a function. So we're going to do sum of 2. And then we're just going to take A and B. And then return. Now, this is very order of operation dependent. So let's just look at it. We're not going to import anything. We're just going to do it like this. There we go. And let's call sum of 2. And we're going to give it, so I can do this math real easy. We're going to do 4 and 3. And let's do print. So we got square root of this is 2, square root of this is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So all right, that is a real simple way to do it. But let's say you just want to input a bunch of arguments. So let's get started. But I completely forgot. If you are new here and this is the first time you're seeing this channel, we do tons of videos. So that's why it's so important you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell. Sum of, let's just do square. So now we're going to use our args, our args option like that, but we're going to call them nums. All right. So total, our starting value, and we're going to increment it up. We're going to loop through these for num in nums. Then we're going to total, increment up. Same thing with our order of operation. There we go. And print. Oh, forgot our return. Return total. So print sum of my goodness, square. And we're going to give it 1, 2, 3, and then 4 squared is 16, and 25 for 5. So, all right, if I recall, did I close that out enough? Yep, I did. Print, run, 15. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Let's do that again. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. 15. Boom. So there we go. We have two ways to do sum of square sum of square roots, where we can hardwire this where we only take in 2, or a technique that we can take in an infinite amount. And that is that. Awesome question. Don't think I've ever really thought about this or run across this problem. So absolutely awesome question. So that being said, if you have any comments, questions, video requests, some things you're stuck on, please drop them down in the comments, because if you have it, you're not the only one. So that's what I want this channel to be, is a one place for you to come and find everything, a resource for everything Python. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.